Morrison Shelter is now complete. I've stripped it down, I've rebuilt it. I've decided not to paint it like I did the Anderson. As you can see, we've even got the proper floor, which is 1 inch thick 18 gauge steel rods which are sprung. There's a spring, clip, spring, clip, spring, clip all the way round, and they're intertwined. You can see that in there, they're intertwined. Spring clip all the way round to form the bed. Now, to get in a Morrison Shelter is quite an interesting question that lots of people ask. That's after they've commented on it looks like a great big rabbit hutch. I'd like to see the size of the rabbit that goes in there. So I'll show you how to get in a Morrison Shelter. The mesh, which is correct, 2 by 3 inches. 2 by 3. If you count the cells, these are cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is correct. If you look at the War Museum's Morrison Shelter, I think they've got one side that's correct, but the rest of it is 2 by 2. So they've got the 2 inch correct, but down is 2 inches, which is wrong. So they've got more cells going down. This one is totally correct. It's a beautiful shelter which has survived, and I'll show you how it goes on. As you can see, there's washers, bolts, and washers and bolts. You push it to one side to get in, like that, and then you just lift it, and that's how you get in. And you climb in, and these little bits at the bottom are all sprung on the springs. And this will take a house collapsing on top of it. And to put that in like that, push it in, and then to make it lock, pull it over. Now the only bits that I've got to fit are the hooks that go from here to the other side, but watch this space, they'll be on very soon. I've got those, I've just got to fit them, because each panel had a little hook that held this to the other side, and that is the Morrison Shelter compared to the Anderson, which is next to it. Let's get a good finishing shot.